Once the exact Cloud VMS gateway is registered to a user, that user can then log in and begin adding cameras. Once logged in, the user is prompted to add cameras. There are two methods to adding cameras. The first method is by scanning the network and adding. Cameras that have been configured ahead of time can be added in this way, either by the Add button or Add as OnViv. When adding as OnViv, the user will be prompted to input the camera's username and password. As you can see, the camera has been successfully added. The second method to adding a camera is by adding by IP address. With this method, you'll need to scan the network ahead of time and find the camera's IP address. Then you can add by IP. Type in the device's name and input the IP address and choose the manufacturer and device model. And the device's name can be anything you want it to be, whether it's camera 1, living room camera, whatever you wish to name it. And once again, you'll need to input the camera's username and password. Once you've input all this information, click Save and the camera should add successfully to the gateway.